How to remove nose blackheads permanently for oily skin. Deep pore cleaning guide. Nose blackheads are one of the most common problems for people with oily skin. Even after removing them, they often come back within days, making it feel impossible to keep the pores clean permanently. The truth is that there is no instant cure for blackheads, but with the right skincare routine and consistent oil control, you can dramatically reduce them and stop them from returning as aggressively. Blackheads form when excess oil, dead skin cells, and dirt become trapped inside open pores. Once this material is exposed to oxygen, it oxidizes and turns black. People with oily skin naturally produce more sebum, which means their pores clog more easily. This is why the nose area is especially vulnerable to blackheads and visible pore congestion. One of the biggest mistakes people make is trying to remove blackheads aggressively using nails, metal tools, or harsh pore strips. While these methods may temporarily remove the visible blockage, they can also damage the skin barrier, irritate pores, and increase oil production even more. In many cases, rough extraction makes pores appear larger over time. The first step to controlling blackheads permanently is proper cleansing. A gentle cleanser removes excess oil, sweat, and surface dirt without stripping the skin. Overwashing can actually make oily skin worse because the skin reacts by producing even more oil. Washing twice daily is usually enough for most oily skin types. Salicylic acid is considered one of the best ingredients for blackhead-prone skin. Unlike ordinary cleansers, salicylic acid penetrates deep inside oily pores and dissolves trapped oil and dead skin cells. With regular use, it helps reduce blackheads, smooth skin texture, and prevent future congestion from forming. Another important ingredient for oily skin is niacinamide. This ingredient helps balance oil production and reduces the appearance of enlarged pores. When the skin produces less excess oil, blackheads form more slowly. Niacinamide also helps calm redness and strengthen the skin barrier, making the skin healthier overall. Exfoliation is also essential, but many people overdo it. Scrubbing the nose aggressively with rough exfoliators can irritate the skin and create microdamage. Chemical exfoliants are usually safer and more effective because they work inside the pores instead of scratching the surface. Using exfoliants 2 to 3 times weekly is often enough for oily skin. Clay masks can also help absorb excess oil and temporarily tighten the appearance of pores. While they do not permanently shrink pores, they can reduce surface oil and improve skin clarity. People with oily skin often notice smoother texture and cleaner-looking pores after consistent clay mask use. Hydration is another step people with oily skin often ignore. Many assume moisturizer causes more oil, but dehydrated skin can actually trigger increased sebum production. A lightweight, oil-free moisturizer helps maintain balance and prevents the skin from overcompensating with excess oil. One important thing to understand is that pores cannot completely disappear. Social media filters often create unrealistic expectations of perfectly smooth skin. Real skin naturally has pores and texture. The goal is not to erase pores completely, but to keep them clean, balanced, and less congested over time. Consistency is what creates long-term results. A proper skincare routine followed daily will always work better than extreme one-time treatments. Over time, blackheads become less noticeable, oil production becomes more controlled, and the skin develops a healthier and cleaner appearance. Removing nose blackheads permanently starts with controlling oil, protecting your skin barrier, and staying consistent with the right skincare routine.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe now.